How do EV brake systems actually work? Have you ever wondered how electric vehicles manage to stop so smoothly while also saving energy? Let's break down the fascinating world of brake systems in electric vehicles and how they function. Electric vehicle brake systems combine two main technologies: regenerative braking and traditional friction braking. When you press the brake pedal, the vehicle system decides how to slow down effectively. First, let's talk about regenerative braking. This feature uses the electric motor to act like a generator. Instead of wasting energy as heat, it converts kinetic energy back into electricity. This electricity is then stored in the battery for later use. So, every time you slow down, you are actually helping to recharge your vehicle. This not only helps in stopping the car but also extends the driving range, making your trips more efficient. Now, what happens when you need to stop quickly? That's where traditional friction brakes come into play. These brakes work similarly to those in gasoline-powered cars. They use brake pads that clamp onto rotors attached to the wheels. This creates friction, which slows the vehicle down. Some electric vehicles even use drum brakes on certain wheels for added stopping power. The control of these braking systems is electronic. Sensors monitor how hard you press the brake pedal and the speed of the vehicle. A control module processes this information to balance regenerative and friction braking. This ensures a smooth and effective deceleration. Actuators then apply the right amount of force to the brake pads or activate regenerative braking as needed. Many modern electric vehicles feature an integrated electro-hydraulic brake system. This system combines brake force boosting and electronic stability functions without traditional vacuum boosters. This design reduces weight and complexity while improving responsiveness and safety features like automatic emergency braking. From an ownership and maintenance standpoint, electric vehicle brake systems have some advantages. Because regenerative braking does most of the work, there is less wear on the friction components. This means brake pads and rotors can last longer. However, if you do not drive your vehicle regularly, the friction brakes can develop issues like rust or debris buildup. It's important to have regular inspections and occasionally use the friction brakes to keep everything in good working order. In essence, electric vehicle brake systems work by cleverly combining regenerative braking to recover energy and traditional friction brakes for reliable stopping power. This smart approach not only enhances safety, but also improves efficiency and durability. Understanding how these systems operate can help electric vehicle owners maintain their vehicles better and appreciate the technology that makes driving both enjoyable and sustainable.